aPriori Manufacturing Insights platform unlocks the value of your digital twins for more profitable and sustainable products, offering solutions to the individual challenges every member of your team faces. These are their stories.
I'm driven by the desire to innovate more efficiently to accommodate ever-tightening deadlines. I need clarity for the complex decisions determining whether a product is manufacturable, profitable, and sustainable. aPriori's Digital Manufacturing Insights platform gives me a unique end-to-end digital twin solution so I can identify new opportunities for innovation, growth, cost savings, and sustainability.
I can save the company billions and unlock the hidden profits in our portfolio of products. But I need to know which parts to focus on, and I need my colleagues to work with me on cutting costs. aPriori's bulk costing insights can analyse thousands of parts at a time, helping me quickly identify specific areas for manufacturability and cost improvements. And aPriori's collaboration tool means I'm never out of the loop. I can see lower cost alternatives as early as the design phase, so our products get to market faster without costly redesigns.
The pressure to get my manufacturing teams the parts they need on time and under budget is my daily challenge, especially with the uncertainty of global instability and constantly fluctuating material costs. aPriori's regional factory models tell me what my designs should cost and what I should ask for in supplier negotiations.
As a strategy setter, I worry about cash flow, market share, and ever-changing industry regulations. I need to leverage the investments I've already made in digital technology and deliver on the promise to improve sustainability. aPriori takes my company's digital twins and mines them for new insights to cut costs, speed time to market, and reduce our carbon footprint.
aPriori Manufacturing Insights platform helps make profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.